Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to talk about how you can transform your voice into text in Microsoft Word. So you'll see it's going to be pretty simple. We're going to talk about two features, the transcript feature as well as the dictate feature. We're also going to test both of them, so you'll see it's going to be pretty simple. So what exactly those features are? Those features are simply ways that you can use to simply not have to write down your text and be able to simply talk to your Word document, and your Word document will simply, you'll be able to dictate to your Word document and it will simply write down the text. So where exactly you can find those features? So it's pretty simple. First of all, you'll need to go to your Home tab in Microsoft Word. Once you're on your Home tab, it's going to be right here on the dictate part, so you can just click on it and you will be able to see the two elements. So let me just do it here so you'll be able to see. So here we have the dictate option and we have the transcript option. So we'll start with the, I'm going to talk about the transcript option first. The transcript option, basically, you'll be able, by clicking on it, you'll be able to simply upload a text directly on Word. Well, not a text, but your voice directly on Word. It will transcript everything that you have said. For the dictate option, it's a little bit different. You will have to dictate the text that you want to say. So let's give it a try. So if you want to try it at the same time as me, you can pause this video and try it out. So we'll go here and simply click on dictate. Once you click on dictate, you'll be able to choose, as you can see, here I'm talking, and what's happening is the text is written down. When I'm tired of talking, I can just click here, and it's going to stop the dictating process. So as you can see, this is what I said. You will be able to choose what, as you can see. So it's not that perfect, but let's give it a proper try. So you'll be able to see what it can do. So if you want to start it, you just click here. If you want to check out all the other settings, you just click here. You'll be able to select the microphone that you want to use or whatever. So let's try it again. So we'll just click here. So hello, my name is Yassine and I like to drink coffee. And of course, once it's done, you can just click here. So it did a little mistake. It's not Jesse, it's Yassine. And I like to drink coffee. So once again, this is not a perfect tool. You'll have to recorrect some mistakes sometimes, but it can save you a lot of time. So if we continue this, this little trial, I like to play soccer. I also like to watch football on TV. And sometimes I watch movies when I have nothing else to do. So here we go. It took me a few seconds to just write this down. So it's an amazing way if, for example, you are studying and you want to summarize what you have, you can simply talk directly to your Word document. It will automatically summarize it. So this is for the dictate option, and as I said, for the transcribe option, if you, for example, record your teacher talking when you have class or whatever, you'll be able to directly transcribe it on Microsoft Word with those tools. So it's really an amazing way to transcribe your voice into text. Once again, as I said, it's not perfect, but it's a good alternative to writing down pretty much everything. So instead of it, you just correct the few mistakes that it will sometimes make. So once again, I hope you guys like this video. So if you liked it, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.